Hello guys, this is my cat going to born. So we will see if there is something inside. We can open here. So we will see if it's coming out something. Here. She's trying to push it out. So let's rub her belly to help her. She is screaming first, then now she is making calm because there is something here. I think this is the first one. Here she is calming now. She was very annoying. It's very annoying. She's keep meowing, so until I know that she's gonna burn it. So hair feeders is going to cut. We are going to cut, guys, because this is very long, so hair kittens can breastfeed. Here we are trying to help her. Rub her belly like this, and this is her position. So we are here, keep rubbing her belly like this. She's trying to push now. She's trying to push. So let's see here. Still the water. This is water, I think. So after this, the baby will come out when she push them out. This one. So the baby kittens will came out. She's trying to push it out. She's trying to push it out. Here. So we are trying to help her. Are you okay? Are you okay? You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Push it. Push it. Okay? You can do it. Push more. There is something thick on here. She is hurting. She is hurting. As you can see, she is not comfortable on it. So as you can see, guys, here there is coming out now. Here, this one. So we don't know how many kittens she have. So now we are trying to stay like this. She will stay like this because when she will stand up, it will splash on the floor. She's trying to push. As you can see here, she's pushing it. Oh my God. Now I'm gonna leave her to burn alone she will not come to me because she is always coming to me, and she is feel very not comfortable, and she's meowing, 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 meowing. Look, guys. She's meowing. She's trying to lick the one. You are in pain? It's okay. You can do it. Stay, 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 stay. Stay, don't go. Stay here. You can do it. Push it. You can do it. Push. Push more. Sasaktan din pala yung pusa pag mga anak. Ayan. Ingay-ingay niya talaga.